Hello everybody, welcome back, and today we're going to try to clean the front wheels on this really dirty Tacoma that I've got here. Haven't washed it probably since last fall. It's now the spring. Take a look at these things. All of that brake dust, and what I have now is I'm going to test two products. Turtle Wax sent me two of these wheel cleaners that they've got. They just sent them to me to try. They're not paying me by any means, but so I'm gonna do an honest review of them. You can judge for yourself also after watching the video. So I'm gonna do one on each of the front tires, since those two are the dirtiest due to the accumulation of brake dust that you get on the front end. So let's just take a look at what these products are first. So these are the two things they sent me. They got this product called Hybrid Solutions Rapid Decon Wheel Cleaner and Iron Remover, and the other one here is this Hyper Foam Wheel Cleaner and Tire Prep. Now, after reading the instructions, apparently this one you just spray on, wait 2 to 4 minutes, and then you can hose it off. This one you spray on, wait about a minute, and then you have to work it in with a brush. Now, I've never had great success with things like this before, because you know, the ones that you just spray on, usually after just rinsing it, you need to work it a little bit. And the ones that require you to work it in, you know, my thought is well, then at that point, why don't I just use the bucket of soapy water that I'm washing the car with? You know, what difference does it make? But we're gonna find out now. I'm gonna do one on each tire. This one says I can just spray it directly on and wait 2 to 4 minutes. This one says I need to rinse the wheel first, then spray it on. So I'm gonna do probably one tire at a time, but you know, weave it back and forth into the video for you so you can see the difference as I go. This has got some kind of a child resistant nozzle, which means Mrs. Flannel Guy would say that means I can't open it. So this is the one where it says spray on and let it sit 2 to 4 minutes. All right, I can't say we didn't load it up enough. Now let's see what happens with that one. All right, for this one they said rinse it first. It's like it's cheating because you're getting some of it off first. And then spray it. It'll foam up. And this one you wait about a minute. And they want you to work it with a brush or something. You can definitely see the dirt coming off on this. Let's check the other side and see what the other side looks like. A little bit of dirt running down. Okay, this is the one that wanted me to agitate it. It looks like I'm having to definitely run the little scrubby on it in order to get it to be clean. Maybe what this means is that it is just a little bit better than the soap. All right, I think we're ready to rinse this, and then we'll do the other side. Okay, now we're gonna rinse this side. Remember, this one had no scrubbing. I need to rinse the lens off. So that was this stuff. What do you think? Looks like it came pretty clean. Now I've got to get this crap off. And I don't think any product like that would be able to do that. It might be a whole other deal. See that. And let's look at the other side again. And this was with scrubbing, and I can see a little bit of this in the corner still. I mean, they're both clean, but not sure that which one I think was a better deal. Let me spray this on the other side. Remember, I pointed out some of those that stuff there. Probably shouldn't touch it, but let me spray this on the other one as well and see if that takes that other stuff off. But right now, I'd say that the other one, where you didn't have to scrub, left it just as clean. So maybe that's the way to go, right? Maybe this one without scrubbing. Okay, final decision here. I think this Rapid Decon wheel cleaner and iron remover I think worked better, just because it took the same amount of dirt off as this one, but without having to scrub it. I didn't scrub this at all, and the dirt has been removed. So given the choice between the two, I'd say this one. And you know what, I think I'll use it too. I mean, I hate having to get in here and scrub this crap when I'm washing the truck, so why not just spray this on there and just rinse off. So yeah, so my review is that this worked okay if you don't mind scrubbing, and at that point you can probably just use anything and scrub the dirt off. But this one did a decent job without having to touch it, other than spray and rinse. So if I were to buy one of the two, I think this would be the one that I would buy. I hope this was informative for you. Thanks for watching, and what I'll do is put some links down in the description where you can buy either one if you like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.